All right, so today we got an email from Kartra. Enhance your account security with our updated multi-factor authentication. So Kartra is adding multi-factor authentication, or MFA for short, and the benefits are enhanced security so that rather than just having your password, it also adds a unique, frequently changing code that you're going to be required to put in when you're logging in. This is protection against password theft. So even if someone has your password without your mobile device that has your authenticator on it, they can't get in. And convenience. A single app can manage your login codes for multiple services and software. I would say that for a lot of you, you might not be using an authenticator just yet, so this may be a new thing for you, but I suspect that in the future, most of our apps that we need to log into will be going in this direction. It's really going to seem like an annoying extra step in the beginning as you get used to it, but once you're used to it, I think you will find it convenient. In your email, they give you a link to the support document on getting started with MFA. So let's dive into that. We do need to take action no later than July 31st, 2024. On the support doc here, it tells us about what authentication factors are used to log into Kartra. We're going to need our unique account password and the time limit passcode generated by your authenticator app. They tell us about how an authenticator app is going to improve account security by adding an extra step to the login process. Your authenticator app is going to generate that code. It changes really frequently. When you log in, you've got to go get that code and put it in. So if someone gets your password, they can't log in without also having your phone and your authenticator app on hand. The first thing you're going to do is install an authentication app. Kartra recommends here, select an authenticator from a reputable source. The app plays an important role in your account security and should be chosen with care. You can use any time-based one-time passwords authentication application. On your mobile device, you're going to go to your App Store, Apple App Store, or Google Play, search for Authenticator, install the app of your choice, and then follow the prompts to complete any necessary setup for your account. Now, to enable multi-factor authentication in your Kartra account, you're going to go to your account profile. That's clicking the icon in the top right of your screen when you're on your dashboard or any page inside of Kartra while you're logged in. Going to click on Profile. Next to your username, you should see the blue button that says Enable MFA. If you don't, log out of Kartra and then log back in and visit your profile. It took me 2 times of logging out and logging back in for it to update, showing me the Enable MFA next to my profile. So you may have to do that a little bit to get it to update and show you that option. You're going to click on Enable MFA and you're going to enter your current password in the pop-up and then click Log Out. Then on the login screen, you're going to enter your email address and your password. Click Continue. The next few screens will take you through enrolling in multi-factor authentication. So you're going to open the Authenticator app that you added to your phone. You're going to use it to scan the QR code on the screen. Copy the 6-digit code generated by the app and paste it into the Kartra login screen in the one-time code field. Then click Continue. It tells us here, in case we have trouble scanning, copy the enrollment code on the next screen, manually enter it into your authenticator to complete the setup. Depending on your app, this may be called a setup code, a setup key, or similar. Look for an option to create an entry in the authenticator manually and click continue. Then this one here is important. You are going to want to save your recovery code. Copy the recovery code from the final screen and save it somewhere safe. You can use this code to log in if you lose your device or lose access to the Authenticator app in some other way. So it's important that you save this somewhere. Tick, I have safely recorded this code to confirm your action. Click continue, and then you'll complete the setup and be able to access your Kartra account. Once you have that set up, here's how to log in using a one-time passcode with your multi-factor authentication. You're going to go to app.kartra.com to log in, enter your account email address and your password. Then on your mobile device, you're going to open your Authenticator app that you have connected to Kartra in the previous step. And on the login screen, you're going to enter the 6-digit passcode that's on your Authenticator. If you want to, and I highly recommend this for your own computer at work or home, tick the remember this device for 30 days. Choosing this option allows you to skip the authentication process for 30 days on that browser. So that will save you from having to do this every single time you log in. Then you're going to click login, and you are good to go. Important notes to remember: never select remember this device when accessing your account from a device you don't own. So if you are not on your own computer at home or at work, if you're on any type of device that you share with other people, or you're on a public computer, don't select that remember this device option. After 30 days, you'll be prompted to log in with an authentication passcode again. And if you clear your browser cookies, use a different browser, or use a different device to log in, Kartra is going to see you as an unknown user and ask you to authenticate again. If you lose access to your phone or the Authenticator app that's connected to your account, you can log in using your recovery code. The recovery code was provided when you set up your multi-factor authentication. That's that code that we made sure to save somewhere safe. You're going to enter your account email and password to log in. On the verification screen, click Try Another Method. Select Recovery Code, and here you're going to enter that recovery code in the field. Click Continue, copy, and save the new recovery code in a safe place. The original code that you just used is no longer valid. Make sure to save that new code for another emergency like this one. Click Login. Important to note, your recovery code is a single-use backup key for your account. So you're going to use it to log in your account and then reset your MFA if you have a new mobile phone or need to choose a new Authenticator app to manage your passcodes. Once a recovery code is used, it cannot be used again. A new recovery code will be generated immediately after you use one. So you will always have that new recovery code for future recovery key for future use. Make sure that you save that. I hope this walkthrough was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I'm happy to help. And if you got it set up, let me know in the comments as well. I'd love to celebrate with you. If you'd like me to do this for you, you can scan the QR code or click the link in the description and we'll get it done together, lickety split.